What's up, YouTube? This is Chris in here, and this is going to be a pretty simple box opening. Well, display box opening for the Chronicles deck, following the Virtuous starter decks. I don't really know, but today we're just going to be opening 8 of these. This is technically a joint venture by me and Optimal, so the first 4 boxes are going to be mine. The next 4 are going to be his, just to keep things simple. Anyways, I'm opening this up right now. Let's get the wrapping off. Kind of difficult, but oh, there we go. And all right, now just to slide it in, and there we go. Now I'm just gonna take out the first box, and let's get this opened up. First, we're gonna probably be looking at the paper playmat, but it's paper, cool artwork, but nothing really special. Kind of forgot to even have it, but here we go. Oh, good. Oops. Oh, there we go. And yep, it's kind of nice, pretty nice. I've just set it off to the side, and we can actually go towards what we're looking for. Up. Oh, they actually have the promo in the front, not set individually packaged. Okay. Gonna get this open. Alright. And here we go. First we got the Triple Tactics Thrust, Fallen of Albaz, Ecclesia, Luber, Cartesia, Albion, Guiding Quem, Spriggan's Kit, Tri-Brigade McCourier, Despian Tragedy, the Bestial Lubellion, pretty good reprint here. Kind of expensive, maybe not so much expensive now, but good reprint all around, you know. This is really necessary, really good. Bestial Magnuma, Bestial Cernier, Bestial Struis Worm, really good reprints there. Then we got Ecclesia the Virtuous and Fleur de Lis. Both of them are from the anime. Then we got Dogmatica Maximus. Kind of a shame he didn't get a reprint either, but well, not reprint, like Chronicles. No alt art. Nibiru, Keeper, new spell card, pretty good. Does 2 things: destroys and revives. Both of them have some conditions, but easy to fulfill. Really good card. You can just read it. It's gonna keep you here a lot longer. Up there, there we go. And branded fusion, branded in white, branded in red, branded opening, branded in high spirits, branded lost, ultra rare, branded regain, branded bond, deployment, alt art, really good alt art. Probably one of my favorite cards in this deck right now. Next would probably be the Triple Tactics Thrust, which we have here. Got all 3 of the original Tri-Brigade links. You know, Triple Tactics Thrust. Really good card, really good reprint. Now we got Foolish Burial, Gold Sarcophagus, Super Poly. Expensive card, but yeah, pretty good reprint. Then we got Branded Retribution, Banishment, Sword, Beast, the Black Goat Laughs, and another expensive card with a reprint. Really good. Super good. I'm glad I got a reprint. Then we got Dogmatica Punishment, Fusion Duplication as a holographic, finally. Then we got this new fusion monster. Pretty cool. I didn't read the effect too much, but it's a pretty good as a one-of. Then we got Mirror Jade, Albion, Lubellion, Lenatus, Titaniclad, Brigand, Sprind, Reinbrom, Granguinol. Yeah, that's about it. Now Now to make this quick, we're just gonna open up the others, just flash the, the promo, the secret rare, or if we're lucky, the starlight rare. So I'm just gonna try to get these open real quick. Yeah, probably shouldn't use a knife for this. Just gonna open it by hand. It's just gonna be easier. No need for a clean cut. Time to open up the deck. Oh wait. Yep. Fleur-de-lis. Yep. Pretty good. Next set then. And fusion deployment, secret rare, pretty good too. Just having multiples is already nice. Just gonna set them to the side right there so y'all can see it. On to the next one. Up and there we oh, fusion deployment as a starlight rare. Nice. I'm super excited for this one. Yep. That's amazing. That's so cool. Oh my god. Yep. This is just nice. Perfect. And to the next one. And there we go, another fleur-de-lis. Sad that it's a duplicate. Would have been nice if we can get all 6, but maybe not this time. Next one. And we got the dragon. On to the next one. Oh, and then we got Ecclesia. Nice. We got both of the anime ones. Next one. And we got the Fallen, the Virtuous. And that's it. That's all 8. Just gonna flex them off a little. And as usual, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and maybe once in a blue moon we'll post another video. All of us are broke, but this fusion deployment might not make me broke, but I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit bell notification. Make sure you're staying tuned for videos, no matter how rare they come out. Bye.